A Cartier Tortue. Now, this is going to be a rose gold watch. The entire case is made out of 18 karat rose gold. The case size is going to come in at a 34 millimeter by 28. Of course, that is going to be an across the case diameter for the 28. So it's not necessarily a large watch, but it's not going to be a tiny one either. It is going to be kind of in that middle ground. Of course, the key features of this watch are going to be obviously the diamonds that you'll find around the bezel and on the lugs, kind of covering the case itself. Normally, Cartier uses these blue sword hands mixed with a blue cabochon, but to keep it in line with the rest of the diamonds, Cartier did decide to set the crown with the diamond itself. Now, of course, this watch does come with the deployant clasp, one of my favorite features for an easy on-off when you're trying to wear it. Of course, there's also an exhibition caseback, and this watch is a manual wind, so you will never have to worry about replacing the battery. Come check it out at SwissWatchExpo.com.